Being shy and quiet is actually a good thing. It should make you a respected opponent in any situation. Let me prove it to you.
I needed 200 people. Where the fuck are all the people? Where are they? You had one job. How long has it been? 2 weeks? It's been 2 weeks and you can't get 200 people? That's so easy. You don't get it. I don't get how hard it can be. Do I have to go do it?
You see that? You want to use your quietness to your advantage. This is an old psych trick of having big gaps between what one other person says and you responding. This does two things. One, it gives you time to think, to not say something dumb, to respond something adequate. But two, it makes them second guess themselves. They then start getting nervous and they start talking more. They continue to dig themselves into a hole. You, on the other hand, look like you're in complete control. You're not being reactionary. You're using who you naturally are, your personality, to your advantage. Number two, I want you to hold eye contact during conflict or any sort of moment where you feel fear. Now, this one's one of the difficult ones. However, if you're already a naturally shy or quiet type of person, your real Achilles heel is the inability to speak up without your voice cracking or stumbling or stuttering or not knowing what to say whatsoever. It's not the fact that you can't hold your head up high, which means when you are in conflict, right, when you're in a moment of fear, I want you to hold eye contact. I'm not telling you to start a whole speech to have a fluent conversation, but instead, do not look down. You should never bow your head, especially if you're, let's say, in front of a girl and you're in a moment of fear, or you're in a conflict and again, you're still in a moment of fear. And similar to using shyness to your advantage, you could use accessories to your advantage. This is why I talk about sunglasses so much. If you have a pair of glasses, it's been psychologically proven that when you have a physical blocker in front of you, you feel safer. This is why, for example, girls will put their drink between you and the other guy, or their purse, or their books. This is a way to protect yourself. It's like a barrier without it looking like you're submitting. Glasses does the same thing. When you have glasses on, it adds an air of mystery. It reinforces yourself, makes you feel confident, and it allows you to keep your head high. Look, glasses is easily one of the most attractive accessories a man can have, and now with Jade Black, our new magnetic frames, I'm gonna make sure you have glasses on 24/7. We recently dropped these that are both blue light blocking and sun blocking, and the cool part is that you can go from outside to indoors and always have that physical blocker that makes you look more attractive and keep the functionality. You can protect yourself from the sun and from digital devices while you're working indoors. These have to be the best that we've ever dropped. And boys, tomorrow is our Black Friday sale. It is the largest Black Friday sale we have ever done across all our 4 companies: Heat Grooming, Jade Black, Essential, Santa Lucia, which means if you've ever wanted to buy any of these products or all of them, tomorrow's your day. Tomorrow's your day. Stuff will be up to 70% off across all 4 sites. And if you wanted to buy Christmas gifts, again, tomorrow's your day. And yes, boys, if you order through our way or you click same day delivery and you live in the city, you're gonna get it delivered today or tomorrow when you order. You ain't wanna miss this one, bro. Number 3, do not be reactive. You want to be slow with your response, both with your body language and with your speech. Studies have shown that shy people are actually better at managing their emotional response than loud and extroverted people, which is why your shyness, you can use it as a superpower and use it to control your emotions. If there's a situation where somebody, the other party, is losing control, they're being rowdy, they're being emotional, and you're calm like water, that's a formidable person. That is a person you respect. That is a person that they're starting to question. Why is this guy not getting riled up? But this takes me to number 4. You want quiet confidence. See, there is a difference between the quiet guy that's respected and the quiet guy that's a dweeb that you step all over. And it all has to do with body language. See, if you're shy and timid and you're trying to make yourself look as small as possible, your shoulders are rolled over, your eyes are always on the floor, your head is always down, you're taking up as little bit of space as possible, you're gonna look like that guy you could just trample over. But if you're a quiet guy, but your body language is relaxed, right? Your shoulders are always cocked back, your head is always high, you never look down, you're always taking the space that you need, you just look relaxed at all times. That's what I call quiet confidence. Finally, number 5, I'm gonna show you how to redirect praise. This is a trick that your CEOs, your presidents, any person in a leadership position, they tend to do this trick. And if you haven't noticed, anytime any guy that's in a leadership position, notice how they speak, right? A lot of times for shy people, when they give you a compliment, you don't know how to act. You don't know how to react to it. You don't know what to say, what to do, etc. I want you to redirect, right? Look at anybody in a position of power. What they usually do is when they get a compliment, like, oh, you killed it this quarter, or oh, your company is so great, the first thing they'll do is they'll redirect. Oh, we were only able to do this because our team is powerful. They work in unison. We have a great company culture. They start redirecting the praise, and now that person looks like he's in a position of power that you respect even more than when you gave him the compliment. And that's it for me today, boys. See you next time.